Yes, it's me, guys. It is me. And it's my birthday. Big 1-6. But it's raining. Like, it's raining bad. Like, I only got a little bit of curls because I don't want too much of dramatic curls. But we're in the car. We just brought me to the car. I had to get this towel. And she got the umbrella. And my stuff is in here. Little towel first. Girl, what's going on already? Like, Jesus. Anyways, I got my slides, and these are my shoes. Well, this is my dress. And these are my heels.
Can you open it?
Because, like, my theme for my...
Can you open it?
You are so rude. Sit in your seat, please. In the seat. Buckle up now. Like, why is she so rude? Hurry. Anyways, but it is my dinner. What is our time? Is at what? Oh, give it here. Give it. My bad. Give it to her. It's 6 o'clock. Don't give me these shoes. Give me the phone, girl. 6. I don't know if y'all can see still. 6:02. And school was fun today. Like, it was real chill. Get in your seat, please. What I said. Say hi to the vlog and then get in your seat.
Hi, Mom.
Okay, get in your seat, please. Out.
Okay, say.
So, school was cool today. A lot of people kept coming up to me, telling me happy birthday and stuff. And then this one girl, because I went to art a little late today because I had to use the bathroom over there. So I was late to art because the bathrooms, like the way our school is only like 3 bathrooms and it was all full. So I had to go all the way to building 14, which is our building that's all the way in the back, which is the last building. Building 14 just to use the restroom. But I was able to get my attendance before I had went to the bathroom. But yeah. But this is just gonna be like my weekend vlog of my birthday because I have a lot going on this weekend and prepping for this was a lot. Who are you? What did I tell you? In the seat, please. Jesus. But I have, like I was saying, I have a lot going on this weekend. Ken, stop playing with me. Buckle up. I have a lot going on this weekend. And I feel like I should vlog because I really want to take YouTube serious, but it just be like the uploading part. Like I have like 5 videos ready for y'all. I'm not even gonna lie right now, but it's just the editing part. Like so many videos that I want to post on here, but I just don't know. But if y'all help me on my journey and support me, even though I'm a very inconsistent person. That will see it's thunder and lightning. Yeah, no, but anyways, I think that would really help me. And yeah, so I'm gonna get back to y'all probably when we get to the dinner because it's raining and we're trying to get everybody in the car and stuff, and my cake in the car. Yep, my mom makes my cakes. My mom makes everything, literally. She makes cake toppers, she makes shirts. Well, you know, entrepreneur. Don't play. I put my mom business. Cake by who? Yeah. Okay. Go look on my mom page and go get a cake. But let me stop rambling. I've been rambling for 4 minutes. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all when we get to the dinner. Bye. Made it, guys, to my dinner. Hold on, my dinner with my family. Basically, this is my first dinner. Everybody not here yet. I'm trying to hurry up and talk. Why is no music really playing right now? So I basically myself for we just sat down. My hair looks nice. I got in here without getting wet, but I left my slides in the car. Like, who does that? But yeah, bye y'all, cause it's music. Finally. Okay, so now it's the next day.
Saturday.
The day after my birthday. May 21st, and we're on the way back to Target because we went to get me a bathing suit and us some pajamas and stuff. But we didn't see that we still had that that tag sensor on the bathing suit. So when I was packing my bag, I was like, ugh. But now we're going back, and I'm just about to go to customer service so they can take it off real quick. Then we're picking someone up, and then we're going to the condo. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. We got the balloons in the back. We had to take 2 cars because everything couldn't fit, even though my dad has a ginormous truck. So what we have in here is my dress, the balloons, what else, and a cooler and a wagon. But I'm about to run into Target real quick, and then yeah, so talk to you guys in a couple of minutes. Say bye. Say bye. Oh.
It's harder than a real cake.
I got a cake pop, and she got this big drink that I know she's not gonna drink. She's not gonna finish that. Something is telling me she's not gonna finish that. But now we're about to get some quesadillas, cause I'm really, really hungry.
It tastes too good.
Let's get the bill.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah. Okay, it's music. I'm gonna get copyright. Ooh, it smells too good.
Oh, excuse me.
I thought it was gonna be vanilla in it,
So she got the cake pop, and I got the birthday cake pop, and he put chocolate.
You're so dumb. Yeah. Oh my god. Focus. Man. It's about to die. You're joking. I didn't need to say what I need to say. Like a mess. Yeah, okay, camera about to die, but I'm about to talk real fast. It's currently 4:23 in the morning on June 25th. June 25th. My birthday was May 20th, and I'm just now editing this. But what I had to say was, oh my god, look at this. Don't beat me up in the comments. Anyways, but around this time, it started getting crazy, like real hectic. The lady who was supposed to come and do my makeup, she was late, so makeup was like kind of rushed or whatever, but it still looked good. But we was like really pressed for time. People was texting my phone, where you at, where you at, where you at. Mind you, our reservation was at 6:30, so we were trying to hurry up, get dressed, get my makeup done, get my hair curled so we could leave. And yeah, so I didn't really get back with y'all until I got to my actual dinner. So yeah, bye. Girls, made it to my dinner. I know, made it to my dinner. My makeup is finished. So I'm getting the other side and my shoes. And I'm about to just pass the camera down so everybody can say something. Whether it's happy birthday or something. Okay? Go ahead. You just say something.
It's given. I need to take this off my head. Happy birthday, cousin.
Only 1 second per person.
We all do that.
No.
Happy birthday, Sai. You gotta say happy birthday.
Huh? Happy birthday. Wow. I'm supposed to look like that.
No.
Okay. What we doing? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday. You lame, dog.
Happy birthday.
Kendall, say happy birthday.
And then pass it to Shana.
What I'm doing?
Say happy birthday, Lady.
I need some good lighting. Up with this. Hey. Happy birthday. Y'all say happy birthday too.
Happy birthday to
Why? Why you want them to edit it out?
Shana taking a 10 minutes.
My lemon drops here.
Guys, let me just tell you a couple things before I tell them pretty much the same thing. So our salads are very big. One would be enough for all of you, and I can help share it, serve it to make it easier. We have a little appetizer, a shrimp for each of you, some king crab, oysters right in the center. For our steaks, though, we can slice them, so sometimes if you just get a little larger of a steak and share, it works out nicely. A couple more things, just because we're a steakhouse, this is never farm raised, so that's cool in itself. Besides here, we always recommend family style because 1 per 3 people is all good. Make it.
Big 16. Happy birthday, baby. Love you. Eat it up. Enjoy yourself. Have fun.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be on this table included on.
That's fine.
So I'm just gonna pretty much, whenever you're ready to get some food going, I'm ready too. So I'll come back in just a minute and we'll get everything going. Okay. Yeah, the only thing though is it works best when we take the and the entree together, because then I can just force everything. Happy birthday! And I'll bring sharing plates, so I'll come back and take everything. I appreciate that. Yeah, little.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You can sing me happy birthday.
Thank you, everybody that says up to my camera. Oh, you ain't say nothing, my bad, bestie. We did. Say happy birthday, bestie.
Happy birthday.
But now we're sitting at the table, guys. I'll go post everything, y'all.
Mommy, what are you gonna get?
So thankful for everybody that came out to celebrate with me, and I'm so grateful for the lady who and the man who took my pictures. $5 each. Don't play with her.
I'm coming.
Don't play with her. What? Make sure you like this. But yeah, I will see y'all later. You probably want to get our appetizer or something like that. Bye. Say bye.
Bye, Condo.
Now it's on.
Act like you out with a chick. Put your phone down. Thanks, babe.
All right. You going first?
What you mean?
Come on, go ahead. Go first.
Come on, No?
Go ahead.
How you met her and what you love about her? I'm loving it. Alright, so you met her when she was born. We got that part. Alright.
Me and Sai used to play dress up all the time. And we used to have a little fashion show. When I used to go over, we used to play Just Dance.
Yeah.
That's it? That's all you got for me? Alright. I don't know your name, so you got to say your name too.
Okay, what was the question?
How did you meet her and what you love about her?
Okay.
This is why you was being invited.
7th grade. I think it was like we looked like we had twins on our head.
Alright, with the twins?
I don't know about that. But go ahead.
I think that was with me. And then when I met her, her personality,
She be lit, huh?
sometimes
She get that from me.
walk around like
You know what I mean? She get that from me. Alright, what's your name, friend? Tati? Okay, Tati. Y'all, excuse me. We're doing something here. Walk around. Go ahead, Tati, you got the floor. Alright. When? Pottery?
Ceramics.
Oh, okay, they got that. That's what's up, high school. Okay.
It's not that good.
No, you like it?
And I like her smile.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, Tati. I like your pink stuff in your hair. It's really cute. I don't wear pink, that's why I'm like it. I love you, Sato, but you know I'm purple gang.
Yeah, I know.
All right, friend. What's your name? Hey, Casey. All right, middle school. What school that was? What's that school called?
I'm gonna blur all these schools out so these people don't try to look.
Oh, you over there. What you said?
I said I was gonna blur out the schools so nobody know where I'm located.
All right. Okay. All right. I love her laugh. You love her laugh? All right, friend, it's your turn. Genesis? What period? Okay, what class? Those times. Y'all be skipping or not? Tell me the truth. Okay, that's okay. That's like a lunch. Sometimes people skip and go to the other lunch. I'm just saying. I do that.
I know that too. I have a lunch both days, but I went to both lunches the other day. No, I didn't see.
I'm sorry, but tell science, y'all be paying attention. Y'all give each other answers. What else?
We fell together. Thank you. I make everybody participate.
Yeah. I can see that. No, I can't. All right, your turn, friend. You was over there thinking about it. I see it. I see it. We got some A1 day ones. I like this. Okay. All right. Hey,
No, he's proud of her at that.
you was up for her, she was up for me. It was a group thing?
No. Hold on.
My favorite thing about Sal is how friendly she is.
What?
Hey,
No, she anti-social.
I mean, like,
She is really nice. Don't do that. Si's a very caring person. She be caring about people. You know that.
okay. What you got to say?
NJ, in case y'all don't know, he's single. In case y'all single. Look at his face. But I'm real picky, so there's that. All right, I gotta dish you out. All right, y'all know how you know her. That's his cousin. So, what you love about her?
Personality, good personality, smile.
Smile.
Got good music taste.
Yeah, cause where we going, y'all?
Concert.
All right, you
That's
good?
it.
All right, this is my man, August. This is my first one. Child. He's also single. All right. He's also single. I am very picky about who we date, though. So I'm just saying. But I'm just saying. All right, let's do it.
Sade, it's not fair. It's two guys to all of these people.
I mean, don't fight. Y'all friends. Don't fight. Don't fight. It's enough. No, it's not.
It's not enough.
He's nervous.
I mean,
Go ahead, go get it.
y'all just be single and just have fun, guys.
No, for real. Summer is right around the corner.
That's right.
Go ahead. What you got to say?
Come on.
All right, Jill. What you love about Sal? Tell us.
Her own personality, her goofiness. She always laughing.
Like now.
Go ahead.
And now we have her best friend. Even though y'all might think y'all her best friend, but this is the real one right here. But go ahead, boo. Tell her what you love about your sister.
How every time she comes home and she has something to tell us about school.
Yeah.
About Miss Chandler. Tell me why.
It's always gonna start with tell me why. Tell me why. I thought it was Malik. I thought it was Malik too.
You said what? She talking about the Uber accent. Yes, talking about the Uber accent.
Oh.
The Uber accent.
What else?
Ah, be quiet.
Kendall, what do you love about your sister?
Aw, thank you.
What she said?
She loved everything about her sister.
Aww, that's so sweet.
Look at you.
And he gave one eye. Thank you, everybody that has.
I ain't go. So
Look,
let me tell y'all what I
okay,
love.
okay.
Who lost?
Who got their phone?
Y'all paying. I gotta pay for your stuff. I'm not paying for everybody else's stuff too. That don't make no
That's a shame.
sense. All right.
Make sure it's just orange.
So what I love about her is our love to dance because I don't know if she told y'all, but I'm like the best dancer ever. I'm lying like shit. I can't dance, but she be including me in her TikToks and I love that shit. What else? We both love Baby. I won't fight her over him because I'm married, so I won't let her have him. We'll talk my husband, baby. But I do love him, and she does love him too, and so we share that love together, right? Yes. Sharing is caring. And she's really just the sweetest person. She's so caring. She like really cares about other people and like how they're feeling. She's very empathetic. And I feel like some kids just be all into themselves, and she's not, and I love that. So
Thank you.
I'm grateful that all of you guys are here celebrating her because you guys are like really blessed to be her friend and to be like my friend too. Yeah.
Okay, Auntie Day.
Woo!
Like,
Thank you, everybody that has something to say. I'm so happy that I met you guys.
Alright. Y'all can get your phone. Y'all can get your phone.
look at Naya.
That was so cute. I'm so grateful. And thank you, Queen, for my flowers. Say bye to the camera. Bye-bye. I said we should have called Gita. I mean, it's something else. Bye. I don't know about y'all.
You think you in the car?
No. Itchy.
How did you got here?
God.
Dream, how did you got here?
And then there's her.
Got here.
This for all my people to see and think that I'm really partying when I'm really not. I'm just going to sleep. Okay, bye y'all.
Look, it's
Britney Spears? No, it was Eminem. No way!
I knew that one. Pass.
No, you know they will.
Pass. Oh, I think no, that's wrong. Damn.
I don't think there's a lot of.
So hot. It was so hot. That was the song. Pass.
You was making this shit.
I don't know.
What? No! Why would I do that?
Y'all was saying it was Chris Brown. We was about to have that one. It was turn up the music.
What is
Turn up the music.
Oh. Made it to the beach. Her. Oh, it's the next day. It's the next day. Hello. She coming. Hey, girl. You guys, it is currently 4:42, June 26th, and I'm finally done editing this video. I forgot to make an outro, so this is the outro or whatever. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social medias that'll pop up on the screen wherever I put them at. I don't know. I may do a little recap, like with all of the TikToks and stuff that we made.
or this may just really be the outro, because I'm really tired. And yeah. Tell me in the comments what else y'all want me to do, what other videos y'all want me to do, because I don't know if it's just me. Yeah, that's how you know I need to go to bed. What's that doing? Y'all probably like this and turn into a horror story. Okay, anyways, what was I saying? Dang. Anyways, whatever I was thinking. That's why yeah, tell me more stuff y'all want me to do, because to me, YouTube is starting to get boring. Everybody putting out the same videos, and it's just getting boring. So yeah, tell me videos y'all want me to do, stuff y'all want me to try, places y'all want me to visit. Down in the comments, share, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Because if I'm putting out these videos, I got hair by my mouth. If I'm putting out these videos and y'all not watching, or like, yeah, still, if I'm putting out these videos and y'all watch it and y'all not liking it and y'all not subscribed to my channel, it's getting very much weird. Like, don't do that. If you're gonna watch me, the least you could do is press the subscribe button. Don't be weird. Don't be weird, okay? Yeah. What that TikTok say? That mess say? Y'all on a phone getting a bill. I'm probably saying it wrong. But yeah, like I said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Bye. And oh, wait. One more thing. I was thinking about calling y'all my virtual besties, because I want to do like girl talks and stuff. So y'all gonna be like my virtual besties. I'm gonna be like y'all big sister that y'all never had, or like something like that. But yeah, let me stop rambling. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Bye, virtual besties.